Good morning, students. As you can see, on yesterday class and previous online classes also, I found that you were asking about the solution of this shortcut method of finding cube. Okay, today I will be discussing that also and the remaining two, because there are four questions and both of them are similar. If you will see here, in both cases it has been said by which number it should be multiplied to make it perfect cube, and in remaining 9 and 10 it has been said by which number it should be divided to make it a perfect cube. So both 7 and 8 are of same type and 9 and 10 are of same type. Actually, if you had learned the examples, if you had seen the examples, if you had understand the examples, then I would like to say here in every cases you have to do prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization of 1323. How to know by which number it will be divided? So simply you can see 235, 538 and 819. So by 3 it will be divided and you will go on doing. Okay, and when you will be prime factorizing it, then you will be knowing that there you will get pair of triplets. Okay, there you will get pair of triplets, and from there you will see which is not forming a triplet. Okay, and if of course I had made the solution also, you might had watched in PDF. Okay, I'll show over here the solution to you. From 7, 8, 9, 10 I had made two solutions. Okay, let me see which numbers are there. Either it is 7 or 8, both are same. Okay, uh, yes, here you can see 8 number it is. Okay, 2560 I had done. If you will prime factorize it in same way, you will be getting, you can see here triplet of 2 is forming, here again triplet of 2 is forming, here again triplet of 2 is forming, only 5 is left. Okay, single number it is had been left. So to make it perfect cube, here 2 more 5 is required. 2 more 5 is required. That means it should be multiplied with 5 into 5, that means 25. So I had written here from prime factor of 2560, that means 2560. It is clear that 2560 must be multiplied by 5 into 5, that is 25, to make it perfect cube. Okay, and as I had said, 10 number is of division. So if you will see, there also you have to prime factorize, and from prime factorize you have to see which is not forming triplet, that should be removed, or by that number only it should be divided. When it will be divided, then it will be removed. So I had written, you can see 8788 I had prime factorized. I had shown the prime factorization also over here. Okay, then I had got 2 into 2 into 13 into 13 into 13. So what, there 2 into 2 doesn't forms a triplet, so by 2 into 2 it should be divided. So I had written clearly 2 into 2 does not have a group of 3 multiples, or even you can say triplets. So 8788 must be divided by 2 into 2, that is 4, to get a perfect cube. In this way you can do 9 and even 7 number. Okay, now we will move towards shortcut method. Okay, of course there are examples also. I will be explaining example, then I will be moving towards the exercise. Okay, and I hope by this video you will be understanding how to solve the questions in shortcut method. It's very easy. Here only you have to remember a formula, that is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Here you have to understand that a is 10th digit. You can see method for finding the cube of 2 digit. Number with 10th digit is a. 10th digit should be a, and unit digit should be b. Okay, like 83, then a becomes 8 and b becomes 3. We can make 4 columns headed by a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square plus bq. Okay, 4 columns you have to make. You can see here it is 4 columns. Okay, the rest of the procedure is the same as followed in squaring a number by the column method, same like squaring, but in squaring there were 3 column of a square, 2ab and b square, but here it is 4 column of a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square and b cube. Okay, we simplify the working as, You can see find the value of 29 cube by shortcut method. So A becomes what? 10th digit 2 and unit digit 9. So no need to make this box. Simply if you had seen in my solution, I had made 4 column and the top. Here it has not been written. And the top, at the top I had written A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus BQ. That means A cube, 3A square B, then after 3AB square and BQ I have written. Okay, same thing it has been done over here. If you will see by watching these two different column, you might find a difficulty, but this is not the difficulty. Simply these things it should be kept at the top column. Okay, I'll show you my solution and then after also I'll be explaining. So what happens? See, BQ means cube of 9. Cube of 9 is 729. Okay, you can see 9. 9 is unit digit, so this will be considered. So you can see this is underlined here. You can see 9 has been written, but remaining all digit will be carried over to this column, and this column is what? 3AB square. Okay, so 3 into A, that is 3 into 2 is 6, and B square is 81. So you can see 6 into 81 it has been done, and it becomes 486, and remaining 72. Okay, remaining 72 is added over here, and it becomes 6 to 8, 8 7 15 5, carry 1 415. So 55 again. Okay, only unit digit will be carried taken, and remaining digit will be carried to again now 3A square B. Okay, so it becomes 4 into 27. How 4 into 27? Because 3A square B. So A square is 2 into 2 4, and 3B, that means 3 into 9 is 27. So 27 and 4 it has been multiplied, it became 108. You can see 7 for the 28 and 2 is carry, so 4 to the 8 and 2 10 it is. Okay, so now it becomes 108, and now 55 which was left over here, that has been carried over here. So you can see 8 5 13 3, carry 1, and then after carry 1 will be added to this 0 and 1 1 and 5 1 6, so it becomes 163. And from here also unit digit only will be kept over here. Okay, the final all digit will be of A cube by adding this remaining number, that is 16. Okay, so if you will see A cube is what? A is 2, so 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8, and remaining over here 16, so 16 it has been added, so 16 and 8 it is 24. So what happens? 2 4 3 5, sorry, 2 4 3 8 9, this becomes the cube of 29. 29 cube is equal to 24,389. I hope all of you had understood. You can see the example also. Here two boxes are made, but simply I had said by making one boxes, as you can see in my solution, I will be explaining that also. You can make it. You can see over here, find the value of 71 whole cube by shortcut method. So A becomes 10th digit, that is 7, and B becomes unit digit, that is 1. So what will happen? Okay, simply here you have to write A cube at the top, then after 3A square B, 3AB square, and B cube. B cube means 1 cube. 1 cube is 1 only. Okay, so no carried over will be gone to 3AB square. Okay, so 3AB square means what? 3 into 7 into 1 square. Okay, 3 into 7 is 21, and 1 square is 1 only. So 21 into 1 is 21 only. So again 1 is there, and 2 will be carried now to the 3A square B. So if you will see 3A square is 49 and B is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3 only, and A square is 49. So 49 into 3 it has been done. It became 147. You can see 9 3 is 27, carry 2, 4 3 is 12, and 2 14. So now 2 which was left over here, that will be carried to this, and it will become 149. So 9 will be again written, and 14 will be carried over to the here. So now that is the A cube is over here. A cube means 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. Okay, last time I had said you have to remember few numbers cube. And of course here the few numbers cube up to 10, if you remember, it will help you a lot. No need to multiply, and if simply you can write 343 and 14 carried over here, so it becomes 347. You can see 437 and 415 and 3. So now this all digit will be written from here 9, here 1, and here 1. Okay, so it becomes how much? 35,711 is the cube of 71. Now if you will see my solution, okay, I had made also solution. If you can see, there are 4 questions. From there I had made solve 2 questions. So let's move towards the solution and let's understand that. Okay, if you will see over here, okay, yes, here it is, question number 8. Okay, it is question number sorry, not question number 8, I am saying. Yes, shortcut method. Here you can see question number 4 and 3. 3 and 4, two questions I had made. Okay, big number I had made so that it will be easier for you. Here you can see here a is equal to 8, 10th digit, and b is equal to 4. So I had written a cube, 3a square b, 3ab square, and b cube. B cube means what? 4 cube. 4 cube means what? 4 into 4 into 4. That means 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64. So I have written 64, and 64 4 will be written. Okay. Remaining 6 will be carried over here to 3ab square. Okay. 6 will be carried over here to 3ab square. So 3a is what? 3 into 8, 24. And b square is how much? B square is 16. That means 4 square. So 16. Now what I had done is I had multiplied, because 3a and b square should be multiplied. So multiplied. You can see 16 for the 64, carry 6, and 16 to the 32 and 6, 38. I have multiplied directly with 16 because I had made the small box. So okay, and now you can see here left over, that is carried over 6, I had added. So what it becomes? 390. 390. So unit digit you will be writing, and 39 you can see here I had carried over. Okay. You might have not understood because I had made some complications, small it is. So now I hope by watching this video you can understand. Now if you will see 3a square b, okay, 3a square b. So if you will see a is how much? 8. So 8 square is 64, and 3b, okay, a square I had written, 3b is how much? 3 into 4, 12. So a square and 3b I had multiplied. If you will see our 64 and 12, 12 for the 48, carry 4, 12 is 72, and 4 76. So 768, and the 39 which has been left over here in out of this 390, 0 I have written, 39 which has been left over here added over here. You can see when 39 added, 9, 8, 17, 7, carry 1, okay, and 6, 3, 9, 1, 10. So 0 and 1, 8. So it becomes what? 80. 80 is carried over. You can see over here 80 I had carried over. And 8 cube is 512. Since I had made the small box, so this remains complicated, but it is very easy. You can see 512 and what? 80 carried over which came over here has been added, and it becomes 592. So what happened? Now these all numbers will be written, that is 592704. So cube of 84 is 5,92,704. Okay, here if you will see 3 number, I had made little bit big box and I had tried to make it clear it. Okay, you can see over here 10th digit a is 6 and unit digit b is 8. So what happens now? A cube means, okay, from b cube you will start, not from a cube, sorry. So 8 cube, b means 8 cube means 8 is 64, and 64 into 8 it is 512. I had remembered, so I had written. If you don't know, then simply you can multiply, then you can write. Okay, so 512, 2 we will be writing. 51 will be carried over for the next digit. I had underlined 51, that will be carried over. You can see over here, that is 3ab square, that means 3a, that means 3 into 6, that is 18, and b square, that means 8a square, that is 64. So 3a into b square I had done, multiplied 18 into 64. If you will see 18 for the 72, directly also you can write, or simply 8 for the 32, carry 3, 4 1 4 and 3, 7 you can write. In same way 8 6 48, okay, 10th digit it is, so 10, and there will be 0. I hope all of you know multiplication. 8 6 48, carry 4, and 6 1 6 and 4 10. So what will 11? 2, 8 7 15 5, carry 1. So 0 and 1 1 and 1. So 1152, and over there this 51 has been carried over. You can see 2 and 1 3 I had written, okay, and remaining I had given carry to this 120. You can see 5 5 10, 0 carry 1 1 1 2, and so it becomes 120. Left 1 is 120. So this has been carried over here. Plus I had written over here, due to this middle line it might not be visible, but by watching my video I think you all can understand this. So now 3a square b. So what happens? 3a square. A is how much? 6. So 6 square is 36, and 3b, that means 3 into 8, that is 24. 24 and 36 it has been multiplied. You can see 6 for the 24, carry 2, 6 to the 12 and 2 14, and 4 3 the 12 2, carry 1, 3 to the 6 and 1 7. So 4 and 6 and 8, and that in that 120 has been added. So you can see 0 plus 4 is 4 only, and it is 6 plus 12, it becomes 98. So you can see 98 I had written over here, and 6 cube is of course 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 6 36, and 36 into 6 is 216. So 216 and 98 it has been added. You can see 8 and 6 14, carry 1, and 21 and 9, that is 30, and 1 carry, that is 31. So it becomes how much? 314432. That means 3,14,432 is the cube of 68. I hope the problem which you have during this shortcut method, I hope by watching and listening to my videos in sound, it might have been cleared. If not, then again today, of course, there is online class from 11:20. So I'll be explaining you that also today itself. Okay, if you will see over here, cube root of negative number is always negative, and also cube of negative number is always negative. That I have written: for finding the cube root of a perfect cube, resolve it into prime factors, make the triplets of similar factors, and take the prime factors, choosing one out of every triplet. Okay, I have said how to find the cube root, that also I had explained over here as a note. Okay, now, okay, after that you can see after 4V there are few examples, and then after exercise 4C that I will be explaining. Okay, if there will be any doubt after watching this video, then again I will be explaining you this was saying shortcut method in online classes. Okay, I hope when I will send today itself, then all of you would watch before this online class. Okay, so if you will see, okay, for B already I had said. Now before 4C there is cube roots. For finding cube roots, as I had said, what you have to do, you have to prime factorize the given number. After prime factorizing, out of 3 multiples you will be writing 3 identical multiples, you will be writing 1. You can see here also the steps has been explained. You will see cube root, the cube root of a number x is that whose cube is x. Okay, like we denote cube root by this. You can see 3 root under x. 3 is in the power. Okay, don't write 3 as a number. 3 root x you can't write. This is the power of the root. Okay, so that is a third root or 3 root x. This will be written as power number. Okay, superficial number you can say in computer language. It is a superficial number. So if you will see examples, here it is 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2 is multiplied, then it becomes 8. So we have cube root 8 is 2. In same way, since 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, so cube root 125 is 5. Okay, now here it is finding the methods of method of finding the cube root of a given number by factorization. Okay, so let's see, express the given number as the product of primes. Okay, prime factorization you have to do. Make the group in triplets of the same prime. You have to make the group in triplets. Okay, find the product of the primes, choosing one from each triplet. You have to, then when we write root, then we take one number from each triplets. Okay, and that product only becomes the square root. You can see this product is required cube root, sorry, square root, not cube root. So this product is required cube root of the given number. If you will see example also, it has been given like 216 is there. So 216 is at first prime factorized. You can see it has been divided by 2 and it becomes 108, and again it is divided by 2 and it becomes 54, and again it is divided by 2 and it becomes 27, and again it is divided by 3, then it becomes 9, and again it is divided by 3, then it becomes 3. So if you will watch over here, what will happen? Here the triplets of 2 and triplets of 3 is formed. You can see over here it has been written by prime factorization. We have 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So what happens? From out of 3 2, 1 has been taken out, and out of 3 multiples of 3, that means 3 identical multiples of 3, 1 has been taken out. And you can see when it has been taken out, there has been written now cube root. Cube root of 216 is equal to 2 into 3, 1 out of 2 and 1 out of 3. So when we take 1 out of 1 triplet, then that becomes cube root. So cube root of 216 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. I hope all of you understand this. You can see over here example 2. Here it has been said evaluate cube root 2744. So what it has been done, 2744 is divided with 2. If you will see, 2 and the 2, 2 3 is 6, 1 and 4 14, so 2 7 the 14, and then after again 4 is there, so 2 to the 4. Again with 2 it has been divided. You can see 2 6 is 12, 1 and 7 17, so 2 8 is 16, and 1 and 2 12, so 2 6 is 12. So with again 2, what happens? 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, and 2 3 is 6. So it is 343. Again it is divided with 7. It becomes 7 4 is 28. Okay, and then after 6 and 3 it is 63. So 7 is 49. Okay, you can see triplet of 2 and triplet of 7. Okay, so what happens? Out of that 1 2 and 1 7 will be taken out. So you can write cube root 2744 is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 40. Okay. Now if you will see page number 67, here is also cube root of negative perfect cube of a negative perfect cube. If you had remembered the note I had given in note that cube root of a negative number is negative only, and even a cube of negative number is also negative only. So you can see here it has been said let a be the positive integers, then minus a is negative integer. We know that minus a whole cube is equal to minus a cube. So cube root of minus a cube is minus a. In same way, thus cube root of minus a cube is minus cube root of a cube also you can say it. See, in same way you can see over here it has been said cube root of minus x is equal to minus cube root x. Example 3, find the cube of minus 1000. Okay, so you can see we know that the cube root of minus 1000 is, you can simply write minus out. Okay, minus cube root 1000. So resolving 1000 into prime factors we get, you can see 2 dividing with 2, 2 5 are 10 and 0 0, again with 2, 2 2 are 4 and 1 and 0 10, so 2 5 are 10 and 0, again with 2 it becomes 12 2 are 24 and 5 2 are 10. Okay, again with 5 it becomes 25 and again with 5 it becomes 5. So you can see triplets of 2 and triplets of 5 is over there. So what happens, 1000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So cube root 1000 becomes 2 into 5, that is 10. So cube root minus 1000 becomes minus cube root 1000, that is minus 10. Okay, so this is all about finding the cube root of negative number. And as I had said, even you can write it as minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 also, and one minus you can take out. Okay. Now if you will see, here it is cube root of product of integers. We have cube root AB, that means cube root A into cube root B. You can see, for example, it has been said evaluate root under 125 into 64. So simply you can write cube root 125 into cube root 64, and cube root 125 is 5 and cube root 64 is 4. So 5 into 4 it becomes 20. Okay. In same way, if you will see example 5, evaluate cube root 216 into minus cube root minus 343. So it will be separated. You can see it has been written cube root 216 into cube root minus 343. So you can see over here cube root 216 has been written as cube root 6 into 6 into 6, because 6 into 6 into 6 is 216, into cube root minus 343, as I had said earlier in case of minus 1000, that you can write minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10, and you can take out minus 10 out. So in same way here minus 343 is written as minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7, because when we multiply 7 into 7 into 7 then we get 343, and when there is odd number of times of minus, then it will be, the product will be negative only. So you can see from here 1 has been taken out, 6, and from here minus 7 has been taken out. So 6 into minus 7 it becomes minus 42. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. In same way, if you will see here cube root of a rational number. Okay, we define cube root a by b means cube root a by cube root b. Okay, so we can see example C 6, evaluate one number, that is cube root 216 by 2197. Okay, and the second question is cube root minus 125 by 512. So if you will see cube root 216 by 2197 is equal to cube root 216 by cube root 2197. As you can see here, it has been given the relation that cube root a by b is equal to cube root a by cube root b. So cube root 216 is, okay, of course that is 6, because we know 6 into 6 into 6 is 216, and cube root 2197. Of course, students, from here you have to keep it in mind that 2197 is divisible by 13. Sometimes what happens, there becomes a great confusion to know by which number it will be divided. So when there such numbers comes which is divisible by 13 or 17 or 21, then you have to keep it in your brain. So sorry, not 21, 23. Okay, because 21 is not a prime number. So you can see over here, even you can multiply 13 into 13 into 13, it comes 2197, or you can prime factorize it with 13, then you will get 6 by 13. If you will see over here, it is cube root minus 125 by 512, so it becomes cube root minus 125 by cube root 512. So what will happen, cube root you can write minus 125 as minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, so 1 minus 5 will be coming out, and 512, we all know that 8 into 8 into 8 is 512, so 1 8 comes out, so it becomes minus 5 by 8. Okay, There are 4C. 4C actually it is very easy exercise, so I have not solved much question, but few questions I have solved from 4C. If you will see in my solution, okay. Okay, and remaining if there will be doubt, then during online class, I'll be explaining you if there will be any doubt in 4C. I thought because it is easier, so I thought you will be making by yourself. You can see now in this new PDF, I had started chapter 5 also, and I had kept few pages because I thought before the next PDF, before the next class, I can explain this. You can see 4C, okay. One number here it is cube root 64. So of course you can prime factorize 64. You can see with 2 it has been divided, so it becomes 3 to the 6, 2 to the 4, again with 2, 16 to the 32, and again you can say 2 and the 2 and 1 and 2 12, so 2 6 are 12 also you can write, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8, and 2 to the 2. So if you will see there is 6 multiples, so I have written cube root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 6 times, okay. So triplet will come out as 1, so 3 2 from there 1, and another next triplet from there anyone. So what happens, 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Okay, in same way if you will see question number 18, it is cube root 512 by 343. So even you can write combiningly also, cube root minus 2. I have written 512 is there, so I have written 9 times it comes. You can see, so in every I had kept minus because odd times minus sign is minus only. So you can see, or even in any one triplet you can keep minus, and in remaining you can keep plus also, because plus into minus is also minus only. So you can say that minus 2 into 2 into 2, it becomes minus 8 only. Okay, so if you will see over here, I divided it, 2 to the 4, 1 and 1 11 is there, so 2 5 is 10, and again 2 6 is 12, again with 2 it becomes 12 to the 24, and 1 and 6 16, so 2 8 is 16. In same way 2 2 6 is 12, and 2 4 is 8, again with 2 2 3 is 6, and 2 to the 4, again with 2 it becomes 2 16 is 32, again with 2 it becomes 8, and again with 2 it becomes 4, and again with 2 it becomes 2. So if you will see, count, you can count over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 answers there. So I had kept in every minus. Okay, so you can write minus 2 into 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 minus 2. And below if you will see 3 and 43 also I divided with 7, it will be divided. Okay, so 7 for the 28, and 6 and 3 63, so 7 9 is 63. In same way 49 is divided with 7, so it becomes 7 7 is 49. So out of this you can see over here I have written whole in cube root 7 into 7 into 7. So out of 3 we can take out, so 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 came, again for next 3 minus 2, so 1 minus 1 2 came, again for next 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 comes. So minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, you can see 8, and out of this 3 7 1 7 has came out, so it becomes minus 8 by 7. I hope all of you had understood this. Okay, and if there will be any doubt in 4C, then I will be explaining you. Okay, all the questions are very easy. I don't think anyone will get any doubt. Okay, no problem. If you will get doubt, don't feel any hesitation to ask me. Okay, because if you will hesitate, you will be suffering. So to make yourself perfect about each and everything knowledge, you will be asking me. Okay, so if you will see over here, I am again going in exercise 4C. Okay, and I will just what I was, and by watching your understanding level, I have said that you can do it. If it is not, you will, without any hesitation, you will be asking me. Okay, now if you will see here, it comes exercise 4D. 4D is objective, and it's very easy. Even I can explain it orally, so I had not solved any question. If you will see over here, okay, here it has been said which of the following number is a perfect cube. Okay, so of course we had done many times 6 into 6 into 6, and we got 216. So this is the perfect cube, of course. Which of the following number is a perfect cube? Here if you will see, what do you have to do? 1331 is the perfect cube of 11. Okay, or if you are getting such confusion, then in that way simply you can prime factorize it. Of course prime factorize will take bigger time, but yes, after prime factorization you will get sure and short answer. Okay, that is exactly you can say this is only, now then there can be confusion. Okay, for your kind information, 739 is not, 729 is, okay, cube of 9. Okay, that you have to understand. And 512 cube root, you have done many times. Here you was the example also, so you might be remembering. 8 into 8 into 8 is 512, so cube root of 512 is 8 only. And if you will see, of course in an example also it has been said 5 into 4, so that is 20, because cube root of 125 is 5 and cube root of 64 is 4, so 5 into 4 it is 20. If you will see over here, cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 343 is 7, so it will become 4 by 7. If you will see over here, of course at the top it will be minus 8, and just now I had said that cube root of 729 is 9, so it becomes minus 8 by 9. If you will see over here, by what least number should 648 be multiplied to get a perfect cube. Here it is about multiplication. So what you will do, you will prime factorize it. Okay, when you will prime factorize it, then you will be knowing the number. Okay, if there will be any doubt in prime factorization or knowing this number, then you will be asking me during online class, and from online class I'll be even starting to explain you from question number 7, and if there is any doubt I'll be explaining that also. So thank you students, I will meet you today itself with all of you in online class from 11:20 a.m. Through Webex Cisco. I had already sent you homework. You can watch there. Homework. In homework there is user ID and password. So without wasting the time, you will be joining there. Thank you everyone, and do the work properly.